boys and girls, my Anchors RV here coming at you with a brand new arrival, 2022 Cedar Creek Champagne. Woo! Full paint, extra awning here on the slide. Wow, fiberglass cap out back. Still a little dirty from the Indiana trip this morning. What a beautiful paint job. 50 amp power connection. We got the Truma instant hot water. Fully automatic hydraulic leveling system. Oh my goodness. The outside looks great. Let's go take a look inside. Frameless windows. These steps are spring loaded, so really nice and easy to bring in and out. We got the heavy duty tires of Westlake's. Outside TV. This paint job is almost a $20,000 option, and it looks good, and it will look good for years. Let's go in. Keyless entry. Check it out. I forgot to show you my big fat belly. My Underbelly Storage. Check this out. Aluminum construction. Of course, that is going to be quality plywood, folks. There's your central vacuum system. You want to hook up a TV on this side, an additional one outside, you can do it. There are the connections. We got ourselves a reel for your power cord. Love that. All right, walking into Cedar Creek Champagne. Ah, look at that. Awesome. Okay, let's go. That table does extend. We got two other chairs underneath that king-size bed. Take a look. We got daytime and nighttime shades throughout. Beautiful power recliners with a little cubby hole here for your remote controls. I like that. Oh, back. Look how tall these ceilings are. And these slides, they're almost 7 feet tall. That sofa turns into a large bed. We got a fireplace that does throw out some heat on those chilly nights, so you don't have to use your propane or your heat pump, because this does have a heat pump too. That is no easy bake oven, folks. That is the real deal. Nice Greystone stove, 4 burners, LG microwave, a residential style faucet, 2 stainless steel sinks, this one being kind of a 60-40, this one a little bit bigger. Absolutely, I see a coffee maker right there. And you're gonna drink some coffee because this is a champagne edition, and this comes with a wine chiller. Pantry. That is some quality wood. Pantry number 2. Great spot to put some spices. Oh, surprise! Already comes with a backup camera, and this is for your tire monitoring system. Did you say that right? Monitoring. Fridge, super big, and yes, it's got an ice maker. That is your central vacuum system. Got a little bit of a closet here right at the entry. There is your Firefly control panel. This is for your solar panels that are already equipped. Plus, we already have a battery in here. Love it. Bathroom. A thing of beauty. Check out that mirror. It looks like it's floating because it's got LED lights all the way around. We got dual sinks. Of course, that's a porcelain toilet. We got a one-piece fiberglass shower with a skylight and a seat to shave my legs. Oh, hello, tractor. Aha! All right, let's keep going. Noise and all. Master bedroom. Absolutely, that is a king-size bed. That is the lead for the table extension where you can extend that table. In the slide, we have opposing windows that gives you great cross ventilation. I see this one here was optioned in with the Cadet auxiliary heater. So you want some extra heat in your bedroom, press of a button, it'll automatically get the temperature you want. Look at this dresser. Huge. This flips up. Great spot to put your jewelry, money, whatnot. Put some shoes on. All right, let's open this up. Here's a huge closet in the front cap. And yes, you can live in this thing. We are prepped for a washer dryer. This is how it would go in. So essentially, that cabinet comes out and the washer dryer goes in side by side, nice and low, so you can still use this closet. Now, I wouldn't say that this is a walk-in closet, but here we go. My fat butt is getting in this closet right now. And this is your King Connect, so if your Wi-Fi is a little weak at the campground, that will boost your Wi-Fi. So you can stay connected at all times. Wow, a thing of beauty. Folks, Cedar Creeks are built different than any other travel trailer out there. Quality construction, aluminum studs throughout, all walls, roof and floor. Take a look at the video of the factory tour. Amazing. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I certainly hope to see you soon.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.